Okay, so we can go ahead and move on. We have this section here. So I'm just gonna go with the Harmony Engine version. And we're doing the same thing here. Okay, so we can go that route. We have to have a word that we have to repeat for a build-up. We could try this. Let's try here. Something like, yeah, there you go, something like that. Okay, so let's do a simple riser. Let's see if that works. And then I want to just go ahead and consolidate all these guys right here. And do a little modulation on the pitch. Sorry, there we go, transposition. All right, and we're gonna go up. Let's try going up to third. Okay, so that's kind of cool. Let's go up with fifth. Okay, so since that I want to leave a gap for the fill there, we want to make sure that the peak is right there. Okay, let's try going up a full octave just to be a little extreme about it. That's pretty good, actually. I like that. All right, so let's check out make sure that it's on Complex Pro. It's not different. All right, so Complex Pro keeps it more towards the original. It keeps it of higher quality when you're trying to use it for an actual functional purposes, like you want to make sure that the vocal sounds not like a chipmunk or not like a giant when you have it lower pitched. So sometimes complex is actually the best setting here. Okay, so let's kind of get a feel for the entire flow of the whole thing from the very